360. 360. Woo!
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For this vlog, we're sharing with you our 2023 summer road trip. Join us as we travel from Las Vegas, Nevada and all the way to Florida. One of the things on our bucket list is to visit all 50 states, so we are already halfway there. We intended to drive an average of 4 hours in between stops so it can be easy for the kids, but we all know kids will always have something to complain. Even though we planned for 4 hours intervals, there's just a few states that required a long hour drive since it's just all fields of corns, huckleberries, horses, or just all desert. First one was Utah. This state is really beautiful. If your family is into outdoor activities, we recommend to check Zion, Bryce Canyon, and Arches National Park. We opted to go this route instead of going up to Alto, Nevada because of this.
You may have heard or seen reports of an invasion of sorts happening in Nevada.
So yeah, you guys just saw that. Anyways, next one we want to check out was Shoshone Falls in Idaho, which is named as the Niagara of the West, and it is said to be taller than Niagara Falls. Shoshone Falls though has unique beauty, definitely a must-see in Idaho. Then we drove to Wyoming. We checked out Grand Prismatic and the famous Old Faithful Geyser. It was incredible. We also checked the other geysers, the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, Yellowstone Lake, and drove through Hayden Valley where most of the bison can be seen. After 2 days in Wyoming, we drove to Billings, Montana and spent the night. The scenery was beautiful but didn't plan on any activities, so we head straight to see Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. There was a lot of historical information and it's really amazing to know how they carved the sculptures in the mountain. Do you guys know who are these 4 presidents? Comment below and no cheating! We also checked Sioux Falls, which is still in South Dakota. Then we head down to Nebraska. If you guys are planning to see this state, include the Bob Carey pedestrian bridge on your itinerary. And don't forget to take some snaps between the 2 states of Iowa and Nebraska. Also, this is a suspension bridge, so you'll feel this way when you're standing still. Kansas, we're gonna check the Capitol, but then it was closed on Sundays, so we just took some pictures outside. Then we drove to Kansas City, Missouri. We got confused since Kansas and Missouri both have Kansas City and they're just a few streets away. Also, check out the Manning Museum. It's really cool. You'll only need a few hours to check it out, and at the end of the tour they will hand out something special for everyone. The St. Louis iconic Gateway Arch is also a cool spot to check out. If you guys are more adventurous, they have the tram that takes you all the way to the top. It's a little claustrophobic, but if you're up for it, go for it. There's also a science museum and a zoo close by. The kids always love checking those out. Now we're driving through Stan Musial Veterans Memorial Bridge, which crosses Missouri and Illinois. This is one of the states we'll check again, but all the way up in Chicago. In Indiana, we check out Monument Circle, which is a cool place for kids to play around. John A. Rockburn Bridge is another suspension bridge that crosses Ohio and Kentucky. The same person that designed Brooklyn Bridge. This bridge was the scariest we've driven through so far.
Next is Tennessee, where we went hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains, the #1 visited national park in 2022, and named as the best national park by online travel publication. This mountain also borders Tennessee and North Carolina. Now heading to Georgia, had to check Centennial Olympic Park. This was Georgia's legacy of the 1996 Summer Olympic Games. When you hear some crazy news, for sure it's definitely from Florida. But can't hate Florida, as they offer the best beaches and a lot of things to do here. Just blame it on the intense humidity, that's probably why there's a lot of crazies. No offense, just an opinion. We were supposed to check out Alabama Battleship Memorial Park, but we ran out of time. Maybe next time we will venture out more in Alabama. The kids had fun playing at the beach sand in Biloxi Beach, Mississippi, but no swimming. The water was kinda dirty. I think we got spoiled with the beaches in Panama City. Now checking French Quarter in New Orleans, Louisiana, which is one of the top 10 most visited tourist attractions according on daytriptips.com. We're gonna say not really kid-friendly place, and kids were complaining about the smell of urine everywhere and the sewer. Now moving on to Texas, which is the second largest state in the US. We first checked Galveston Beach. Kids played in the sand, but then again no swimming. We drove through Houston and then headed to Austin, Texas. We spent most of our day at museums, arcades, and eating food. Kids definitely love those types of activities. Now in Albuquerque, New Mexico, it was so hot so the kids just wanted to swim in the pool. Next day we drove to Sedona, Arizona, where they offer plenty of amazing views, and gladly the temperature are much cooler compared to going to the city. Phoenix, Arizona averages 104 to 107 degrees. And just like that, guys, 21 days vacation over. Now back to home sweet home Las Vegas, Nevada. This view never gets old. If you guys want to check the detailed activities we did in each state, watch out for our upcoming videos. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. Support us by subscribing. It's free to create a YouTube channel. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye!